Hi there, students. A knoll. Knoll. So the K is silent. Countable noun. A grassy knoll. Okay, a knoll is either a little mound of earth, normally covered in grass, or it's a small hill, but it's got a very shallow slope and it's got a rounded top. So, I don't know, for example, I went with my girlfriend and we had a picnic on a grassy knoll. Yeah? This word sounds very literary. A small mound. I think it's a synonym for a mound. So I think you've got to be careful where you use this. There's a place in Somerset called Brent Knoll where there's a small hill behind, but the whole area is very flat. So this knoll can be seen for quite a distance. Okay, so a knoll, a small rounded hill, a hillock. Notice that hillock, meaning a little thing. Yeah, so a hummock as well, or a mound. A grassy knoll to have a sleep in the summer sunshine. Yeah, particularly I think this collocation, a grassy knoll, it's a small rise in the land, a little mound or something like that. Or also as I said, a hill with gentle slopes and a rounded top. Okay, let's see, formality. This I'm going to give a 7 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. I would only use it in something poetic or literary or something like that. I guess you could use it in a semi-formal writing, in a formal writing as well. And then as to origin, well, there's an Old English word knoll, meaning the summit, which comes from Proto-Germanic knudan or knula, meaning a lump. Okay, it's probably related to Old Norse as well. Okay, so a knoll, a small mound of earth or a little hillock. Yeah. Very often if you see a knoll, it's probably because something is buried underneath. For example, a Saxon burial or something like this. Yeah, some sort of tumulus. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A knoll, a grassy knoll.